In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a restaurant food ordering site in Wix. Whether you're running a cozy cafe or a bustling bistro, having an online presence where customers can browse your menu and place orders is essential. So let's dive right into the process of setting up your very own restaurant ordering site with Wix. To kick things off, you'll want to choose a restaurant template that complements your brand's vibe and style. Wix offers a wide array of customizable templates tailored specifically for restaurants, cafes, and food delivery services. Take your time to browse through them, keeping in mind the look and feel you want your website to convey. Each template can be fully customized, so don't worry if it's not perfect right from the get-go. As you explore your options, consider what features are most important to you, such as the layout for your menu, or the color scheme that best matches your establishment's branding. Once you've settled on a template, it's time to add the functionality that will allow your customers to order online. This is where the Wix Restaurant Orders app comes into play. This app is specifically designed to streamline the online ordering process, making it convenient for your customers and easy for you to manage orders as they come in. To integrate this app, start by navigating to your Wix editor, where you should see a sidebar on the left. Click on the Add Apps button within this sidebar. In the search bar that appears, type in Wix Restaurant Orders, New, and search for it. Once it shows up in the results, click on Add to Site. This action will incorporate the dining order system into your website, taking you one step closer to going live and being ready to serve your online customers. As you proceed with setting up your online ordering capabilities, think about how this feature will fit into the overall design and flow of your site. You want to ensure that customers have a seamless experience, from browsing the menu to completing their order. Consider how you'll categorize your menu items and whether you'll offer any special promotions or combo deals. The Wix Restaurant Orders app provides you with robust options that you can tailor to meet your operational needs. Remember, your website is a reflection of your restaurant's identity, and with Wix, you have the tools to create something that not only looks professional, but also functions effortlessly. Take advantage of the customization options to refine your site and ensure it's both visually appealing and user-friendly. By the end of these steps, your online ordering system will be fully operational, setting your restaurant up to receive and manage orders efficiently. Stay tuned for more detailed walkthroughs in future videos as we explore additional features and enhancements to keep your restaurant's website at the top of its game. Happy creating, and here's to your online ordering success with Wix.